Yan. Ito mo na sa akin.
Hi, we're here at Boracay now. And now we see there's a lot of green algae here.
Larophyta.
Yeah. And it's believed that it is the one that is causing the sand to whiten, so it helps in making the sand white. And now we're about to depart since it will be sunset at it's now 4 p.m. on
The clock.
20th of April. So it will be Sabbath day already when the sunset is.
Nakakatawa yung Sherman na tomorrow.
So there's a lot of green algae here.
Mas marami ka.
Nice, yeah. And there's also a lot of small fish hiding in the green algae, most especially at the where green algae is fully concentrated, and it is full in color green. Now we have to go now.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yan o.
Eh, dami. Kita nyo ba? Nasaan yung fish?
Yan yung sa tago nito.
Sa maraming algae. Ayan!
Maliliit, di ba? Pagkain nito.
Saan ba tayo dadaan na walang algae? Algae din. Ang daming algae. Doon wala. Hindi pa kami nakasabandaw. Ha?
Kapag nag-ilagay, nakakatakot. Sana may shark.
Meron yung shark sa nabata ko. Meron daming fish. Yun, fish. Sniff. Simay.
Hi.
Say hi.
You gotta go now. Because you have to take a ride. You just commuted. You just take a ride by the public transport.
Maalat. Amal, paano ka mag-base ngayon?
Oo. Ano? Magaya na lang kaya no? Diyan.